Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. I would like to introduce you to this smartphone clip that I just got. This is the ST14 Ironman 3 by Ulanzi. If you do search around online for smartphone clip holder, you will definitely come across Ulanzi clips. I heard some great review of this holder and went online to get it. Let's see how it functions. Well, straight out of the packaging, you see the box with the Ulanzi logo, Ironman 3 phone clip, and the model here is ST14. Alright, let's get straight in. Really well packed with the protection foam. Make sure that you don't get scratched. So right out of the packaging, you get it as it is. It looks the same exactly like the picture. There's no assembling needed to be done. You can use it straight out of the box. So the main thing about getting a better smartphone holder is definitely the ease of adjustment and also the additional function. So like for this, a normal smartphone holder, what they do is just very basic. Open it up, put your smartphone in, and you'll clip it in place. It's usually a bit hard to adjust because the mechanism is very stiff, and also it's meant to be stiff, otherwise you can't hold your smartphone in place. So there's usually the normal 1/4" screw at the bottom and at the back. So that's basically about it for this kind of basic smartphone holder. So alright, so for this ST14, definitely the main function is the ease of adjustment. You can actually unlock it at the ball knob at the back, and your smartphone holder will get the full rotation that it advertises. So you can do a 360 or to the left, to the right, and also to the top to get the different orientation and angle that you want to shoot it. So once you get it in place, you will lock it and it is done. So you get the ease of adjustment of the different angle compared to a normal smartphone holder, which there's only one angle that you can do. Alright, next, the adjustment of the smartphone to be placed on the holder. So over here, there's also the non-slip silicone pad so that your phone don't slip around and definitely won't get scratched by the metal part. The whole ST14 is made of full metal, so you don't get any plastic part. It won't break easily, definitely. You can use it for definitely very long. Okay, so what you see here, there's a lock switch. This is mainly to extend the holder for the different phone sizes. Over here there is the indication 2.5 inches to 3.7 inches. So pull to open, firstly you need to unlock it. Make sure the lock switch is in the unlock button and you are able to open and close the holder. Over here you see a ball knob. So this is mainly to get a more precise adjustment, and also to me, I think this is to tighten the smartphone once you get this certain width length for your smartphone. So I will demonstrate it in a while. That's about it. And also it does comes with this nice little clip here. This is actually to act as a desktop stand. So you can slot it in here, and the ST14 can act as a desktop stand. You can use it to do some monitoring, watch videos. So let's try to mount the smartphone on the clip and see how it works. I've got here a Samsung S9 Plus, and I find this the best way to mount the smartphone on the clip. So what you do is to just at least get a bit of a measurement to see how much you need to open the clip. This will actually help you to get a better fit. So over here, you see I need to open up my holder slightly. So what I'll do is I make sure it's in the unlock position. Open up the holder just slightly, not too much, and make sure that the holder that don't actually fit all in. Roughly this would be good enough. Lock it, make sure the lock switch is locked, and now open up the ball knob at the top. So by opening up the ball knob at the top, you actually further extend the holder, and once you get you get the smartphone in place fitted, there should be still a bit of small gap, and you can proceed to tighten it. So once you tighten it, and you got the phone in place. So this is what I really like about the ST14, the ease of adjustment. You can take it out easily just by releasing the ball knob at the top, and you're ready. So about the mount, you notice at the back there's actually 3/4 inch mount, and the bottom there's a 1/4 inch mount, and also this is ARCA base mount compatible. So for me, I have a tripod here, mini tripod. You can actually just screw in the 1/4 inch, and you have it. So there's also one more feature of the ST14, which is, if you see here, there's actually a cold shoe mount here. So if you have a need for lighting, you actually could install it, and really very easy to use. Definitely recommended to anyone that intends to get it.